I started at Potomac High School. Once I was in welding my sophomore year, I actually enjoyed it. I actually liked it. It was an interesting trade.
Colorad is a sign company and a museum exhibit fabricator. Erica came to us from Prince William County CTE program as a welder shortly after she graduated from high school in the program.
Colorad contacted my teacher asking if they had any students who were interested in a job after high school or during school.
I recommended her because she's an excellent welder, always been highly motivated. I do feel like she was going to do well in the industry.
We took a lot of different tests so that we could get certifications. At Potomac High School, I was able to get my MIG certification and my AWS Sense certification.
That's a nationally recognized certification. Pretty challenging certification to get on, but Erica did earn that before she left here. That helps industry recognize individuals who have been trained in accordance with the code.
Her training had her with a base knowledge that she could come in, she was ready to go and ready to be able to learn quickly.
I've learned how to fabricate. Right now we're working on a big project for the city of McKinney, Texas. We're making really large signs that are going in the city and the downtown area. With the signs, I've learned how to cut material, I've had to cut angles, I've had to learn how to miter.
What we look for is an eagerness to learn, a good attitude, wanting to be a part of a team, and we found that Erica had that foundation from her training at the welding program from Prince William County.
I want to make welding my career, and I'm thankful for this opportunity.